Good afternoon, my name is Varinder and I am here to conduct your pre-IELTS speaking interview. Your name is Abhinav and your candidate number is 110592. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
My name is Avinash Sharma. I passed my plus 2 from Punjab board last year, and now I am studying BCA, which is postgraduate degree.
What are your habits?
I like to play cricket, but sometimes I also like to play archery because I am very perfect, not perfect. I am very good in aiming. That's why I play.
What kind of good habits do you have?
Well, I have several good habits. Out of these, punctuality is the first and foremost. I always become punctual in every place.
Do you think habits can be changed?
Of course, when we grow, we become more mature, and by this week we forget bad habits and start adopting good habits.
Any bad habit which you like to change in yourself?
I do not regularly do exercise. I like to do exercise regularly so that I can maintain my fitness well.
Okay, I'll put you some question related to pen and pencils. Do you usually use pen or pencil?
Most of the time I use pencil because I can easily erase whatever things I written. But in case of pen, I am not able to correct my mistakes.
Do you prefer to use pen or pencil for writing?
As I mentioned, I like pencil. That's why I like to written by pencil.
When was the last time you got a pencil for yourself?
Please pardon?
When was the last time you bought pencil for yourself?
Tomorrow I bought a pencil for me for my pre-IELTS exam.
Did you write with pen and pencil when you were a child?
When I was child, I mostly use pencil because I can easily erase my mistakes, as well as it is easy for a children to write with a pencil.
How would you feel if someone gave you a pen or pencil as a gift?
Well, I will feel proud because these types of gifts are very important. It plays very crucial parts in students' life. That's why I respect these types of gifts.
Would you pay a lot for a pen and pencil?
No, really, I do not pay a lot for these types of items.
And why?
Because I easily get it with the cheaper price. At a cheaper price.
Okay, I'll put you some question related to haircuts. Do you often change your hairstyle?
No, I always in the same haircut because this haircut suits me.
Okay. Do you enjoy going to the barber shop?
No, I do not enjoy to go to barber shop because it doesn't feels me because I do not feel enjoy when I go there.
Do you still remember what kind of haircuts do you like to take during your childhood?
Actually, I do not remember about it. But when I was child, I mostly cut my hair. I shortly cut my hair.
Okay. Do people of your country get a lot of haircuts?
Of course, in India there are different people with different hairstyles. So one can easily see many different hairstyles in India.
Would you like to change the hair color of your hairs? Would you like to change the color of your hairs?
No, I do not like to change my color of my hairs because I like natural things.
Okay. Okay, this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your paper round. I will give you a one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak.
Yes.
So your topic is number 1. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. Number 1. Okay, start.
Also, I do not like to borrow things from other people, but here I would like to talk about an occasion when I borrowed something from someone. When I was in the 10th grade, I borrowed food from my friend. His name is Harman. On that time, I forgot my food at home. That's why I needed to borrow it. When I asked him for food, he immediately gave me. I felt very nervous on that time, but I was hungry also. That's why I got it food. And through this incident, I also got a message that one should always take things so that one doesn't suffer. So this incident gave me a beautiful message, and I also and after that I always try to make a list of items that I should borrow compulsory. Through this way, I can easily carry everything and anything whenever and wherever I go. So it helps me a lot. So I think this type of habits I should adopt.
Okay, sufficient. So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I'll put you some more questions related to your topic. What kind of celebrations are common in your country?
In India, there are many types of celebration which are very popular, such as Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, and apart from this, Indian also celebrate Christmas Day, which is an international festival.
Why do people care so much about national sports teams?
Because this pardon?
Why do people care too much about national sports team?
Because they are pride of one's nation. So everyone respects him and give everything they want, so that they become successful. Through this through this country can easily get name and fame.
Okay. Do all people in your country take part in the same kind of celebrations?
It varies from state to state, but mostly most festivals are same, such as Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, and any other type of popular celebrations.
How has the way people celebrate changed?
Uh, Due to Western culture, many people change their way of thinking. That's why they change the festivals too. Now they prefer Christmas Day as opposed to main festivals such as Diwali.
What kind of books do you like to borrow from your friends and colleagues?
Well, I like science fiction books. That's why I like to borrow it from friends, or I also want to buy it from a nearby shop.
Do you like to lend others?
Please go on.
Do you like to lend others?
Yes, sometimes I also lend books and many other things to others. Such as few days ago, I gave one of my books to my friend for his preparation.
Would you ever lend friend money?
No, I do not lend money to any other people because through this one cannot get most of the way to others from others.
Would you like to lend your mobile to others to make a phone call?
Yes, and many times I also give my mobile to help others so that they can easily contact with their acquaintances.
Okay, Abhinav, this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day.